To create and save a cooking program, start with manual cooking. There are many methods to choose from in a Henny Penny Combi. Today we're going to use convection and set up a program for a nice prime rib. Let's create a two-step program. So we're on convection. We'll start with the high heat to get that nice sear, and we'll do about 465. We'll set the time for 10 minutes. On convection, we can control how much humidity is in the cabinet that's created by the food product. We'll make this very dry so we get a nice crisp sear. Then we will add a step to the right. We'll stay in convection, and now we're going to drop to a very low temperature until the prime rib is done. So we'll do 175, and we'll switch to the core probe to an internal temperature of 130. So it rests to 135, and we get a beautiful, rare prime rib. So now we have our two-step program created. So let's save this into our favorites menu, as it's going to be a normal menu item at our restaurant. We push the green sidebar and go to Save Cooking Program. We type in the name, the category is required to save a favorite, so we'll go with meat. You can select an image that's preloaded on the unit or on the USB stick. In this case, I have a prime rib image saved on the USB stick in a folder called Auto Chef Images. We want this to be visible in our favorites menu. It is not frozen. Quality control is activated, so the oven will adjust to the load that we put in the oven and compensate for the heat reduction at the beginning. And then the steam evacuation system is also activated, so our workers are protected from the steam exiting the oven. It's ventilated for 1 minute, and the steam is pulled out of the cavity before the door is open. So all of our settings are set up, and we're ready to save.